Death Wish gingerbread chicken wings on an open wood fire. It's gonna be so good. And thank you, Death Wish, for sponsoring this video. Curry paste, 1 tablespoon. 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. 1 teaspoon of turmeric. 1 tablespoon of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of salt. 3 tablespoons of Death Wish coffee gingerbread flavor. Mix it up. Mix it up. Let it marinate for at least an hour or overnight. Roast these in a 350-degree oven for about an hour to 2 hours till nice and tender.